Check out how I make this cherry jam in our deluxe cooking blender. It could not be easier than this, and it's perfect for small batches. Today I'm making cherry jam, of course, so I'm going to pull out our Pampered Chef cherry and olive pitter. This makes pitting cherries so easy. We picked 15 pounds of cherries this year, so I was so grateful to have this. It just makes this task so easy. So throw out the straw, throw out the paper clip method that we've been using for all these years. This is so much easier on your hands, and it doesn't look like you murdered someone with all the red staining all over your fingers. So this is so much easier. And it's so satisfying to see all the pits collected in the bottom of this. Yeah, so much easier than any other method I've tried. So we're going to throw these cherries into the blender along with some lemon juice and some pectin. And then we're going to get the blender going. It does have a dedicated jam setting, so you can turn any fruit that you want into jam, and this makes it so easy because, as you can see here, the temperature is on the screen here at 88 degrees. And so what this blender is going to do is it's going to cycle through blending the fruit, stirring the fruit, and bringing it up to the proper temperature so that it can thicken with the pectin. So there's no guesswork here. It does it all for you. And once it comes up to that 210 degrees, we're going to go ahead and add in our sugar. The funnel set makes this so much easier to get any ingredients into the top of the blender lid because you don't want to take the lid off. So that works really well. And then we're going to hit start. And then once that's done, that's it. That's all there is to it. It makes this process so simple. So this is really thin whenever it's done, but as it sets on your counter, it's going to thicken up. I love cherry jam served with apples. It tastes just like a candy apple, but you can make any kind of jam so easy.